Hi everyone, I'm Christopher and you are watching Christopher Car Brochures. Today we're having a look at the 2014 Lexus Nx pre-order brochure. The Lexus Nx is the premium version of the famous Toyota RAV4. Before I continue, I would like to make an apology for not posting videos for a lot of days. Sadly, exams came, so I had to study, that's why I couldn't post. But now I'm back and I'll post very often. For example, you will see today the Lexus, tomorrow you will see a German sports car. I'm gonna have you to guess it. And after the German car, you will see an American car. Hot hats, just to let you know. Guess them and write in the comments. So, this brochure, as I told you, is a 2014. It's a pre-order brochure. I found it in a used market recently, so I bought it. I didn't have any Lexus and I'm very happy to have a Lexus brochure in my collection. It's a small brochure because it's a pre-order. The Lexus NX is the first compact SUV from Lexus. As we can see, the interior looks amazing. I love that red leather color. Here's another photo of the car. Three famous magazines from UK had tested the car and said very good things about it. For example, the original Top Gear with James May, Jeremy Clarkson and Richard Hammond, Auto Express and Autocar. Yeah, you can read it, you can pause the video and see what it says, because I can't see them now, that's why. So yeah, it's a small brochure. Here you can fill your details, your name, your first name, your surname, your address, your postcode, phone number, email, to receive a brochure or make a test drive. Here are the cars that you can get a brochure or make a test drive: CT, IS, RX, GS and LS. Yeah. So actually, if you wanted, for example, to make a test drive, this page is made to be cutted. Then, of course, I won't do it. Then you fold it here in the middle, and then you could take it to the post office and receive the brochure or an email about test driving it. Here's the back of the car. It looks amazing, even though it is based on the RAV4. I don't think they look alike. There's the touchpad and here it is a room space. It has a very roomy space. Yeah, that's the car. Wait, let me flip it back. Yes, that's the video. I hope you liked it a lot. Sorry again for not making any videos. I apologize. By the way, that's the Air Sport version, as you can see it from the plate. I hope you liked my video. Please like, share, subscribe, and tell me what cars you would like to see next time. Tomorrow I will make a video about the German hot hats. There were many some years ago. guess it, and the American hot hats, there weren't many, so that's easy. Anyway, I hope you liked the video, and see you next time. Bye.